Hello everyone, welcome to Tecktoniq YouTube channel, One Step Endless Solutions. In today's video, I am going to show you how to build a simple calculator using C programming. We'll cover basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This project is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. Here I have created one folder named C Projects. Inside the folder, I created a file with .c extension. So let's get started. Hash include stdio.h, that is standard input and output library. Int main, the main function where our program gets stored. Char operation. Float num1 comma num2 comma result. Char choice. Now we'll write the printf statement, printf, which shows the welcome message. Welcome to simple calculator /n. Now do while loop. Do printf /n, enter the first number. Yeah. Scanf %f comma and %num1. We'll use the same statement for second number as well. Printf /n, enter the second number. Scanf, same statement, %f comma num2. Okay, now printf, enter operation. The operation you want to perform, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Okay. Scanf %c comma operation. Yeah, we are done with the do statement. Now moving on to the switch case. Switch operation. The first case, that is case addition. Result result is equals to num1 plus num2. Now we'll print this. Printf %.2f plus %.2f, that is equals to %.2f/n. Yeah, comma num1 comma num2 comma result. Okay, We'll break this statement using the break statement. So we are done with the first case. Now we'll repeat same for the second case as well. That is case minus result num1 minus, we have to change here, minus okay. Done with the second case as well. Third case, that is case multiply. Here also we'll write the same statement, that is result is equals to num1 into num2. Printf, will print the message, printf percent point 2f into percent point 2f, that is equals to percent point 2f slash n, comma num1 comma num2 comma result. Okay, yeah. Now we'll break the statement. Break the fourth case, that is case division. Here there is a slight difference. We'll just use the if else statement. If num2 is equals to 0, print error division by 0 is not allowed. Slash n. Yeah. Now else open bracket result is equals to num1 divided by num2, the same code which we used earlier here, over here. Printf statement, printf percent point 2f divided by percent point 2f, that is equals to percent point 2f slash n, comma num1 comma num2 comma result. Okay, after this we'll break our statement. Break. Now the last statement, that is the default case. If the user enters other than plus, minus, multiplication or division operator, it will go to the default case. Default printf, it will show you as invalid operator. Slash n. Yeah. Now printf will print the message as, do you want to continue? Yes or no. Enter. Scanf %c, comma, and %choice. Okay. Yeah. Now the while statement, while choice is equals to y. That means if the user chooses yes or capital Y or small y, choice is equals to capital Y. Printf /n, thank you for using the calculator. /n, return 0. So this was our program. We are done with the calculator.c program. Now I'll show you how to run this program. Open your terminal in VS Code and type this code, that is gcc calculator.c -o. This is the name of the file which you saved here. Okay, -o calculator.exe. Enter. ./calculator.exe. This code will compile your program, and this will execute. Let's see. Yeah, we are getting a welcome message over here, and enter the first number. Let's enter 2. Second number 3. Let's perform addition. 2 plus 3 is 5. Do you want to continue? Yes. Enter. First number 2. Second number 0. Enter operation division. And here it's showing error. Division by 0 is not allowed, which we used here. Okay. Now, do you want to continue? No. Enter. This is the thank you message we are getting. Thank you for using the calculator. And that's it. We just built a fully working calculator in C using switch case and loops. I hope this helped you understand how to work with user input and conditions. If you found this video helpful, please give us thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tecktoniq. Thank you.